middle of this thing, so we don't really have that much time.
Yeah, we
That's
don't
okay.
actually. I'm not gonna go to class. What?
We're in the library, remember?
Oh yeah, I know in the library.
Dude, man, you're gay.
You're the queer. I don't even want to hear it.
You're the one. You're the one.
You're the woman who dance
Like, I
clothing.
seriously am. Like, I do have lesbian tendencies. I've figured out. Like, I do flirt with the ladies. Okay. Brian! 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 Say hello to me. Say how much you love me on camera.
So you can show it to
Say you
Charlie
love me.
later.
I love you very much.
He loves you so much he's gonna break the engagement.
Oh, tell me, get down on one knee and propose to me right here, right now.
What?
Get down on one knee right
You
now.
already proposed.
Propose
Not
to me.
very dramatic.
Okay, here, take my hand. Ask me to be yours.
Please, Jody, would you marry me and be mine forever?
Oh, you shouldn't have. I love you, Brian.
Here, you can have Teresa's penny.
Thank you. This is going on my MySpace. I love you,
Charlie
Brian.
will look at it.
Yeah,
like,
Charlie,
"Whoa, what the
Jody, how could you do that? How could you do that?
I hate those kind of jokes.
Oh, that's so mean.
You guys freaking hear about the boat cracked her head open on the bridge?
Somebody cracked her head open.
No! I wanna hear.
It's okay, it's on a movie.
Actually, I wanna hear. Freaking some freaking
girl was like, cracked her head open.
Oh, is she smoking a cigarette?
Or choking it up. Okay.
Okay,
Oh, you were supposed to get the cute couple.
there they are. Ben and Rachel.
No! No!